Did you know in 1946 over 20,000 sailors across 78 ships took a stand that would shake the very foundations of the British Empire? This was not just a protest, but a blazing revolt from within the Royal Indian Navy, a force that grew from just 8 ships to nearly 300 in a decade. The spark began in the heart of Bombay. On 18 February 1946, young sailors of HMIS Talwar, fed up with discrimination and poor treatment, initiated a hunger strike. Their demands were simple but profound: better food, just treatment, and an immediate end to British rule in India. Imagine a time when India was a land divided by religion, caste, and regions. Yet a single spark ignited a fire of unity that transcended these barriers. This is the story of the brave sailors of Royal Indian Navy who dared to challenge the mighty British Empire. The RIN, established in 1934, had a glorious history. Having served in World War I, World War II, the RIN grew massively post World War II. But beneath this glory lay a tale of discrimination and discontent. Subhash Chandra Bose, a visionary leader whose dream of free India inspired many. His formation of the Indian National Army and its naval wing, the Azad Hind Naval Force, became a beacon of hope. These were soldiers and sailors who had once served the British but now stood against them, united by a dream of free India. On February 18, 1946, the winds of change began to blow. Over 1,000 young sailors of the HMIS Talwar stationed in Bombay began a hunger strike. As they hoisted the flags of Indian National Congress, Muslim League and Communist Party, the cries of Jai Hind and Quit India echoed across the land. The whispers of rebellion caught the wind and spread rapidly. From the vibrant streets of Bombay, the mutiny surged to the coastal stretches of Karachi and Calcutta. The entire nation felt the ripples of this courageous uprising. The rebellion was stirred by the Naval Central Strike Committee led by two determined individuals, signalman M.S. Khan and telegraphist Madan Singh. Additionally, the Royal Indian Navy Depot, with facilities like Castle Barracks and Central Communication Office, became significant hubs for the mutiny's activities. In Bombay, they held processions, chanted anti-colonial slogans. There was a violent outbreak at Castle Barracks when military personnel were sent to quell a mutiny. In Karachi, violence was reported on ships like HMIS Bahadur and HMIS Himalaya. A procession went from HMIS Bahadur to HMIS Chamak's radar school. Shots rang out as they clashed with British. They rebelled in a non-violent way. But even in the face of adversity, they maintained their dignity, showing respect to their officers, ensuring minimal harm. Yet, there were casualties. In Bombay, 2 British personnel were injured. In Karachi, 8 sailors and 33, including British soldiers, were killed. They received widespread support from Indian public who joined them in demonstration strikes and riots against the British. The workers, students, peasants, and other sections of the society participated in the agitation, which turned into a mass uprising. The mighty British Empire, which had ruled for centuries, now trembled at the unity of the Indian people. But not all were in favor. Leaders of the Indian National Congress, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Vallabhbhai Patel, feared chaos and believed in a peaceful transition of freedom. They urged the sailors to stand down. The Muslim League leaders Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Liaquat Ali Khan, with dreams of separate nation, also voiced their concerns. Yet, amidst this chaos, the Communist Party of India saw hope. Leaders like Aruna Asaf Ali, S.A. Dange, and P.C. Joshi rallied the masses, seeing the mutiny as a fight against imperialism. However, on 23 February 1946, the rebellion came to an end. The brave sailors surrendered, but their spirits remained unbroken. Many faced punishments. With leaders like Khan and Singh imprisoned, the RIN was restructured, but the legacy of the mutineers lived on. Though the mutiny lasted in mere 6 days before the brave sailors surrendered, its impact was monumental. It exposed the vulnerabilities of the British Empire and played a pivotal role in accelerating India's journey to independence. The rebellion's legacy became a testament to the courageous spirit and unity of Indian people, highlighting the readiness of self-rule. As we conclude this remarkable tale, let us take a moment to pay tribute to the valiant sailors who refused to surrender.